Talo Lover fam, welcome back to another episode here on the channel. It is coming up to 5 o'clock in the evening, and me and my wife here decided we're gonna cook alaisa faapopo and also koko samoa. So to finish off the week, yes. But yeah, for our food in the evening. So join us in our episode today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. We'll definitely catch you guys. No, I don't. I usually say at the end. Hope you enjoy it and stay tuned. So yeah, daughter there bringing in some more cocoa for on top of the cocoa we're trying to finish, and that one was from the cocos in the back there.
Kayak ka.
New ones will join the old ones here once they get to that stage where they start to brown off. So that's why my wife thought it'd probably be best to use those new ones and eventually bring in the old ones afterwards. We'll let them carry on. We'll check with them later. We need to get started on the coconuts for the alaisa faapopo. the reason why I haven't started on the rice is because si umang kawing you ke wo mavevela le alaisa ele I kakawon you. So yeah. Possibly one of my favorite snacks. Oh, especially the small one, not the big ones. Because the big ones are really sort of like watery. These small ones are really sweet, which is why I love them. What's done? Yeah. Alright fam, so just finally finished the coconuts. As see there. That's about 4 coconuts. Before we go, let's just check on my wife and my daughter and see how they're going with the cocoa beans. Alright, what are we eating? Alright fam, so we're back in the kitchen. Got the rice on. Now that the rice is on, we're just gonna wait for it to cook, and then we'll add in the coconut cream. Added a pinch of salt inside just to help it with flavor. Other than that, we're pretty much good to go. The rice is now ready. I've just turned it down a bit. You guys can see here. We also got a supo elegi going on here. We'll also add a bit of the coconut cream there, but si isa alon i koko samoa on there. Kika ready koko vai ngalai kui mai u. Right. We'll pour out like a wow koko, but it's okay. We'll get this out of the Alright, that's done. Looking fabulous. Ooh, look at that shining. Look at that. And now, final bit, supo elegi. Avela koi ki mai singa vai kong oilo. Kangoe pe swirl ho ingalele. Alaisa faapopo, ready. Supo elegi, ready. Koru mea, lua mea vera. Koe kasi koe re ki koko. I whakare ko inga koko, so we'll just go check there and then we'll be back. Me and see over here are just gonna go check the koko. Ole kare fua su lor pori sore. E va ver con ma fa koko masia.
Alright fam, so we've finally finished the episode. I'm going to show you the results now and hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making it. Over here we've got our alaisa faapopo. See the glistening of the pepe on the rice. Ko ima veve mangaia. We've got our supo elegi there. Our supo elegi, very nice with kapisi. So this is coconut cream, rice, onion, and pak choi, and some pepe. Our ulu from yesterday. And then our koko samoa. Very nice koko samoa. Freshly made, freshly pounded, and fresh. Fly went in the mouth. Sorry about that. Yeah. So I hope you guys have enjoyed our episode today. I did making it, and I really want to say thank you guys for supporting us on the channel. It really humbles me to know that you guys really enjoy the channel and the stuff I put out. It really resonates with you guys, so thank you again, guys. Hope you guys have a great week, and we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.